The bounce back be vicious. Yeah.
You heating up, Lavish?
The bounce back be vicious, decking off the ignorance, counting on residuals, money going to the bills, then right back to hustling, juggling all my skills. It's pure will and blessings. Like, how did we get here? So glad that we got here. Prayers on top of prayers, steady pushing through the years. The ups really be up, so up is the only way. No sleep plus hustle. Shout out to my nigga Yang. The recipe to making ain't always a perfect day. So when we find the time, we thank God and say, Lord, please let us make him back in black Jesus' name. Tomorrow's never been promised, what my granny used to say. Yeah.